internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ZENPOP box unboxing video, so I'm obviously super excited to see what's in the box. Oh, I forgot to cut it all the way open. Alright, I usually pre-slice it before I film so that I can just open it straight away, but a little slow on that at the moment. There we go. So let's get right into the unboxing. Got a thank you note and May. Man, when I look at May, I'm thinking time is flying by way too fast. Like, it's not even May as I'm unboxing this, it's still April. But time is just flying by. And I love the theme. It's so spring-like. I wish it was spring. It's getting colder and colder in Australia right now, so I feel like I just wish it was spring. Although by the time you see this video, I'm probably in America right now. So I'm probably enjoying some form of spring in America. Hopefully the weather is good. Okay, let's just get right into the items. Oh, guys, didn't I buy this in Japan like literally a few months ago? I still haven't even gotten around to using it yet, but essentially, if you guys can see, it's like a washi tape cutter. You kind of clip it onto the washi tape you're using, and then it just allows you to tear it off quite easily because it has like a razored edge. I don't even know if I got this color, but oh yeah, you can see kind of, can you see the teeth over there? Let me open this up. It's like a little clip thingy. Oh wow, it's really flexible. But you open it, you stick the washi tape through, and can you see those like little silver teeth just there? Oops, okay, gotta be careful, don't cut yourself. There. So yeah, you just tear it up. The only thing I don't like about this is that it leaves like jagged edges because it is razored, whereas I much prefer a clean cut. So, but I don't know, oops, maybe a clean blade wouldn't have worked in this situation. We've got a couple of pens, so I'll put those aside to test later. We have some washi tape. Let me open this up. Oh, I love this camera. It focuses so much better than my other cameras. Yeah. It's like blocked design, blocked colors. Very cute. Then we have, oh, I have quite a few of these now. Probably some of them actually I purchased in Japan, and a lot of them I did come from these sort of boxes. But as you can see, there's like a lot of loose stickers here, and they vary. I feel like some are like really thin washi consistency, but this one, I'm gonna just pull one out to see. I'm pretty sure these are like thicker stickers. Oh, okay, no, they're washi. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but they're actually washi tape material, so these should be pretty thin, which would be good because I've got some that are not very thin and they really bulk up the planner. Oh, we have some Neko stickers, little cats in the same washi tape sort of material. So cute. I love this one. He's just like either praying or crying or something with it. It's so cute. And Sakura no something, I don't know the kanji for that. But I think this is based, ooh, it's a really beautiful notepad. Do you guys see that? And it comes in like alternate flowers of green and pink. I think I have one very similar to this, and I dare not use it because it's just too pretty. I also don't even know what to use it for because it feels a bit too precious to be taken to work and just scribbling notes down. So this is basically sticky notes, but there's a little space here, the little speech bubble, which you can write your notes in. So it's like this guy is saying what you want to say. It's cute. I'm not sure I would actually use this though, because I feel like people would look at me weird if they see me constantly sticking this guy everywhere. And the last item, oh, these are envelopes. Okay, these are really, really beautiful envelopes. I don't know if you can see, like I'm looking up on the screen and it looks much more washed out than what it is in real life. And I don't know if it's because of the lights or something, but in real life it's this very like beautiful periwinkle blue color and very soft. Yeah, so love that. Okay, great. Let's test out the pens. So I said I didn't want to do this, but I'm literally going to test it on the beautiful notebook that I said was too precious to be used for just scribbling. Just because I'm not filming in my usual location at the moment. I'm like in a different area. So I don't have my standard notebook I use. So I'm going to have to go with this. All right, so the first pen, or pencil, this is a mechanical pencil. I'm pretty sure it's 0.5. I don't actually know what brand it's from. I'm just going to pull the paper up and have a look. Nope, no brand. But they could have come in two different colors. So one was a bit more like blue, colorful, and this one is a bit more orangey red tone. But yeah, let's give that a whirl. I mean, it's easy to write with. And I'm just trying to figure out what this paper is like. Paper is pretty okay too. It handles it pretty okay. Next one is the Zig Clean Color Real Brush. I have like sets of these already, so I don't know if I have this specific color, but I know that these brushes are amazing. They are great for calligraphy. Fortunately, I am not great at calligraphy, so I would still suck at this. It's a little, okay, the initial one was a little weak. Maybe it's because I just started, but you can see how it was a little, okay, maybe it was just because I started. Now it's like super saturated. Very beautiful. Beautiful at making thin and thicker lines. And then the last one we have here, oh, this is not a pen. For some reason I thought this was a crayon. Actually, it's an eraser, but it's like a scented eraser, so I'm not sure what flavor yellow is. Let's open it up. This yellow one is pineapple, if you are curious. A pineapple eraser. That's so cool. All right, so then we only had 2 pens, and that is the shadow through, the ghost through. I know that a couple of you guys have given me different terminology for when it comes through, but it's not actually bleeded through. Although I don't know, I kind of think it did bleed through a little bit, especially this one. You can see it just, let me pull this up to see if it's any clearer. Yeah, I don't know, can you see? I feel like this did bleed through a little bit. That's my opinion. But yeah, that is everything in this month's ZENPOP box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.